4 reasons why you need to keep some free storage on your Mac. It's a bad idea to fill up every gigabyte of storage on your Mac for all these reasons. If you find that your Mac has started running slowly, or is taking a long time to start up, chances are storage space is the issue. Low storage space can have loads of negative consequences on your Mac, ranging from a slow startup speed to apps not launching, and more. There are many reasons you should keep some extra free storage on your Mac. We've covered them all below. How much free storage do you need on a Mac? There are several factors to consider when determining the exact amount of storage you need to keep free on your Mac. It depends on the type of storage, what you regularly use your Mac for, and more. You should generally keep a significant fraction of your storage device empty, anywhere from 5 to 20% of the total storage size of the drive. Keeping this much free empty will allow your Mac to use it for temporary files when needed, so it can work efficiently. For example, if you have a 256 GB SSD drive in your Mac, you should keep at least 13 GB free at all times, preferably more. Why does your Mac need extra free storage? Most SSDs these days will run fine even if you fill them to the maximum limit, as most manufacturers keep a portion of the drive empty for dealing with temporary files and startup issues. However, depending on your usage, this can still lead to many issues on your Mac. Some of these are very evident, whereas others can be a bit hidden. 1. Free storage keeps your Mac from slowing down. If you have low storage space on your Mac, the first thing to suffer will be your Mac's speed. You'll notice everything runs slower, from starting up your Mac to loading applications. You'll also notice Finder gets stuck or isn't able to load folders. If this is the case, it's best to immediately free up some space to ensure your Mac returns to normal. 2. Your system will have room for temporary files. Macs use free storage for temporary files and swap files. Swap files are used when memory is under pressure to write data to the drive. It can take up a lot of storage when you are doing a memory-intensive task such as editing a movie. In such cases, it's always beneficial to keep some storage free to allow your Mac to function properly with the temporary files. Otherwise, you'll find that your Mac may stop working when you throw an intensive task at it, for which you'll need to restart it to get it working again. 3. You'll be able to upgrade your Mac's software. Many software updates these days can take up several gigabytes of data, which is why it's essential to have free storage to allow them to download. If you update your Mac's software to the latest version of macOS each year, you'll see that each installer is around 12 GB in size and requires around 35 GB to 45 GB of free storage to actually install. So if you don't have the required free storage, you might not be able to upgrade to the latest version of macOS. 4. You'll get fewer startup problems. Another consequence of having a lack of storage space on your Mac is that it can interfere with your Mac's startup process. A slower startup can be a bit of a nuisance, especially when you're looking to get work done fast.